In this short tutorial, you will learn how to mute a contact status on WhatsApp. If there is someone whose status updates you don't want to see, you can easily mute them. This means their updates won't show up at the top of your status tab anymore. To get started, open up the WhatsApp application and then tap Updates. After that, find the status update you want to mute and tap and hold on it. Now you'll see Mute. Simply select the mute option. By following these simple steps, you can easily manage your WhatsApp contact status updates and have more control over what you see. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.